Do you have a Ninja blender that won't let you take the lid off? No matter how hard you press, and you're trying to pull up this handle? Well, don't go get a butter knife and start wedging it in through things. I have a very simple, easy way of getting the stuck lid off. Normally, you just press this release button and this handle thingy pops up normally, right? So, super easy to fix. And I'm gonna do it with one hand. You just put pressure down on that handle thing while you click that button. And away you go. Pretty easy. By the way, these things just get stuck. That's underneath there.